Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try and see and do our best. So this is some paint I had left over from yesterday. I have a couple of really nice little small little easels. And what I'm going to do is put some paint on here. Like that. And we're going to smooth that out just a little bit with a piece of, oh no, I can do that with this, just with my little silicone thingy. Make it a little bit bigger. Got to fit in there. And a little bit of white. Don't know if that's going to pop through or not, but we'll see. Ooh, too bad I didn't get the middle there. So I'm going to help it along a little bit. Going to put some on the side here. Just want to make these cute little paintings. That's nice and covered. Got to do the sides. That's nice. That one, that's nicely covered. And of course that side. And maybe just put it in one more time. Ah, look at that, that's better. That is really pretty. Now let's see if we can get some cells. Ooh, lots of cells, look at that. Let me get you in close. Oops, there you go. That is a really nice little one. We're going to keep that one. Then we're going to put in a little bit more blue and a little bit more white. And we're going to do that again. I'm going to push it in the middle first. So I don't like it when it doesn't. See, that's better. Only have a little bit there that doesn't have any paint. That's it. We're going to do the side, that side. Oops, got to spin it around a little bit. And that side. Oops, a little bit of a corner there. That's it. Ooh, I like this one without even torching it. That is really pretty. But we need it to look like the other one. That's it. See that? Pretty. Put that one. So you have a little set. That looks pretty. I think that's really pretty. I think I'll make another set because I'm at it anyway. So I have these little packages with those little easels and little canvases. So guys, yeah, I was talking about, then I get, you know, distracted and I don't finish my story. So Ameland, the island, was way too expensive for us. So we're gonna go to Vlissingen. Vlissingen is a really cool place. They're really starting to build new houses and all that kind of stuff. It's really close to the beach. It's about, I think, 500 meters to a kilometer, and that's going to be a lot of fun living there. So that's where we're going to go. The only thing I don't like is that when I think about it, that my dog won't be there, because I think that's going to be, you know, 4 years from now, she's not going to be around anymore. Because she's already old. So that makes me a little sad when I think about that. Don't you you just wish that animals would, you know, I don't know, live to be 30 or 40 years old, something like that. So that's number 2. Oh no, it's number 3. Just a tiny little bit, just to bring out a few of those little cells. And then one more, a little bit of white. Ooh, that's not enough paint. That is. So, and the couple that bought the house next to us, they have a lot of friends who'd love to live next to them. So we said, no problem whatsoever. We're moving in about 4.5 years and you can buy our house. And they really wanted to do that. They think that's a good idea. So that's going to work out for everyone, I guess. Gotta do a little touch up here because I see 2 little things that didn't get enough paint. A little bit here too. Ooh, that looks better. This is really an easy way to get the paint on the sides, that it looks like it just goes over. See that? That fits perfectly. You just scoop this up like that, put it up against it and pull down, and then it looks just like it's gone over the side. Tiny little bit. Ooh, I don't think there's enough. Is there enough white? Yeah, that's perfect. Don't want to overdo it. So now we have 2 sets. Let them dry, put a little varnish on, and they will be a lovely little giveaways. Okay guys, thanks for watching again. I'm going to be cleaning up my little studio here. First I'm going to do a little bit with this because I have to throw that out. And I always like how the blues and the, look at that, that's pretty. And it just might keep it. Wow, that's a lot of the little cells. That's really nice. And no, I'm not going to waste any more paint. I was going to put more on it because I just love these colors. Don't you just love those colors? Look at that. Nope, we're going to stop. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you all to pieces. See you all next week. Bye-bye.